So we're going to be changing them two there, the two buttons, I believe, or switches, whatever you call them,
yeah.
to two chargers for the phone. Seeing as I only have this, like a Timo buy. It's not bad because I've got the original head unit.
It's not bad, but it's really bad.
I mean, I've only got two different options: mega bass or no bass. Did you just take off half my?
Bro, it's crusty. Look.
I know it's crusty, bro. Like you can literally rub it and it'll come off. That's why I need a new one of these because this is quite old. And obviously all the heat and the wear and tear is going to make it come off, isn't it? So it's very nice, crispy 20 degrees today as well, which is good weather for breaking my car.
Breaking. I don't talk about this. It doesn't look like it's been taken off before.
No, I don't think it has, bro. Like you should see the fuel filter, mate. It's crusty, bro.
Like rusty?
Crusty.
Crusty, rusty?
Crusty, yeah.
Oh. Did you see this before?
No, I haven't.
Do you have like a hoover or something? That look
no, I don't have a hoover. No. So.
Oh no. Don't worry about it. I know what I'm doing.
What's just happened? Has it snapped off?
No. Because this is crusty.
Crusty.
It can break.
But look, bro, that's stapled on it.
Yeah, it's factory stuff. This one should come easy out. See, like that.
Hey, you be respectful towards. So how are you gonna get the things out of there?
No, just unscrew this.
Oh
man.
Well, all this is because of this roof liner. Look, it's coming off, and back there, look, it's pretty bad, dude. But that's
Dude.
decided.
It was ripped off before.
So you have to take that one off because there's two switches in here. There's this one, which is a male adapter, I believe.
A male.
And this is a female. Look. So this one goes into the one that's taken off now.
Oh.
And this goes into the one he's taken off, I believe. So it's literally just like a daisy chain that goes to those.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Out. I'll take this out as well. Then this one, put inside here. And this one.
That's it. Hit a little clip. That means it's in.
And the other one just have power for the cigarette right there. Just put it here.
I'd get a good angle. Good, son. That's it. Two clips. You're fixed. Yes. No, the other one, mate. Yeah, that's it. Smells good, like it?
Nice and snug.
Like a glove.
Again, just a daisy chain, isn't it? All good to the same fittings. Shove the wires in there like.
Don't say it.
I'm not
Don't say it.
I'm not gonna say it, bro.
Don't say it. Not here. Don't say it. I knew you were gonna say it.
I didn't say anything, did I? None of those existent words come out of my mouth.
Mm.
And then it should just hopefully back into place. If I hold it, my man gets his screws. Yeah, man, looking good. Yeah, don't worry about it too much, bro. If it's
I'm not gonna tight it too much. Don't worry. This should stay nice and bit, but because of the wires and stuff.
yeah, it's alright. Just make sure all the wires are in, and then there you go. My hand's out of the way now, so I can hold it with my other hand. We get a T20. That's it. You plug that thing back in, yeah? Yeah, see, that's essential, that, man. That's essential. Use the GoPro. There you go. Right, that's f***ing on. I don't have a USB, I don't think. Oh, I do. Let's see. So ignition's on.
Yeah, man.
Skip that, right, that's it.
Yeah, man.